Okay, welcome to the forecast tonight. Got an interesting one for you tonight. Lots of heavy snow in the forecast tonight across many parts of the United Kingdom and many parts of Scotland, Ireland, Western Wales, northwestern parts of England and other parts of England as well. Up for grabs and some very high snowfall totals as we go through the weekend. Just going to start off with this. Just want to say that the weather on Friday is going to be particularly treacherous across some parts of the United Kingdom. Quite an awful lot of amount of snow. It's really game on now, as we're going to see some heavy snowfall across many parts of the United Kingdom. Where is the snow going to be? Well, I think at the moment for Friday, we're looking at the West Midlands, parts of Northwest England, Western Wales, and also Devon, Wiltshire, Dorset. These areas here are up for some grabs of 5 centimetres plus on Friday nights. And as we go through to Saturday, that snow area extends further north and east, so affecting parts of Eastern Ireland. Dublin area could see a dusting of snow, but also running up through western parts of Scotland, southern parts of Scotland, many parts of England and Wales. And I think the eastern coast may escape the worst of it, but I think these areas here could see as much as 5 centimetres again for some areas. Where do you think the highest snowfall totals are going to be? Well, through Friday night to Saturday and Saturday night to Sunday, well, I think they're going to be around this area here, this sort of central slice here of the country here. Could see anywhere in excess to 10 centimetres of snowfall through Friday night to Saturday. This is some serious stuff coming up, folks. Do watch out for the snowfall on Friday night to Saturday. Could be quite severe. Could be quite severe. I think the places that might miss out on the highest snowfall risk are for eastern parts of Kent, eastern Norfolk, Lincolnshire, running up for the eastern side of England, Northumberland, eastern parts of Scotland. These areas here less at risk, but if we do get any precipitation, it's likely to be snow. It's going to get so cold the next few days. It's going to get so cold. How low are the temperatures going to go? Well, the night time the next few days. So Tuesday night time, Wednesday night, and Thursday night. But Thursday night all have a potential to go as low as -10, -12, -13 across the northern parts of England. So also running up through the Vale of Yorkshire, running up through towards Cumbria as well, the Yorkshire Dales, the Peak District, the Pennines. The hills around here could go as low as -12 in the next few days, so do watch out for the snow, do watch out for the cold here. -12 could be your lowest number here. I think cities that see the lowest temperature, well, I think mainly for cities like Manchester, up towards Oldham, up towards Bradford, and up towards places around this area here are likely to see some very low temperatures overnight, so do watch out for severe ice. All areas of the UK and United Kingdom are going to see low temperatures here. I think places that escape the worst are going to be western tips of Cornwall, but I think, and also parts of western Northern Ireland, but I think all areas are going to see some really cold weather developing with this easterly wind, and also some snow on the way. And why does the snow happen? And look how much the EFS Ensemble predicting. Remember the EFS Ensemble was predicting 4 centimetres on the Saturday event that we had. Now it's predicting 20 centimetres, 25 centimetres on lower ground in many parts of England and Wales. This is really some stuff we've got to watch out for now, folks. Some really heavy snow coming in. I don't think it's going to be this much, but it just gives you an idea of how widespread the snow is going to be. There's a risk of widespread snowfall as we go through the day on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Why is it happening and what's the synoptics behind it all? Well, we've got a trough area of low pressure out to Central Europe. That's what's bringing some snow showers to the eastern coast of England right now. In fact, if we just go over to the radar, you can see that we do have some sleet and snow showers around. We had some snow last night in Devon not Devon. We also had some snow last night in Wiltshire, but look, we've got a few snow flows lapping onto the eastern coast. These could give us centimetres or 2 in places, but we've also got this next area of precipitation out to the waiting in the winds here. This is actually holding up mild Atlantic air and will bring rain to parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland, but as it bumps into the colder air across Northern England on the weekend, we have a big problem coming up, folks. Well, where's it? Well, look at the chart here as we go through the ECMWF pressure chart. So, just gone through the day today on Tuesday into Wednesday. Look, we've got the area of low pressure across the southeast, bringing in a ridge of high pressure out to the west. So we go through to the day on we're going through to Thursday now. Look, we're developing this area of low pressure out to the west, and we're also bringing the area of low pressure out to the east, still tucking in gently cold off the continent. Go through now towards the day on Friday. Look at the front coming into western areas. This is picking up now heavy snowfall, 5 to 8 line coming in, very cold upper air temperatures across much of the United Kingdom. As we go through to now the 19th. Look at this now, setting up an easterly wind across Scotland, driving in heavy snowfall here. Heavy snowfall in many parts. So they're turning to rain in the southeast, southwestern areas. Heavy snowfall, and also look what the eastern of the wants to do. Wants to bring in a real snow event. The far to Atlantic stretching right across there wants to bring in some severe snowfall right through to the end of the week, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't want to mal things up too much of a hurry. Look, by the 23rd of January, we've got this next area of low pressure here, bringing in the next area of significant snowfall. Folks, this ain't no funny joke here. We're going to see some very heavy snowfall in the next couple of days. It's going to be through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday across western parts. Eastern parts missing out somewhat. The southwest of England, especially Cornwall, more likely to see rain, but I think there is a potential for severe snowfall as we go through the day on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday across many parts of England and Wales. And also watch out for those low temperatures, some ice risk as well in many parts of the United Kingdom. Now let's have a look at where I think where the number one CFS member one mean max week's going to go for. What's it going for? Well, it's going for things sort of plateauing, but we've got these up and downs. I think these up and downs are going to be noted because we're going to get these Atlantic systems coming through, but I think we're going to stay in this cool period right through January and into February. I've been hinting at this for a while. I think we're going to stay cool right through January and into February as well. With most of the models hinting at this now, the long range models are swinging towards a cooler theme, but also now forecasting is starting to go towards a cooler theme, and also the southern stratospheric warming up in the atmosphere is going to enhance blocking across northern parts, which can enhance cold across our part of the world. You can see here temperatures are really going to be diving across many parts of the United Kingdom. Temperatures at 10 HPA and right through to 20, 30, 40 HPA, so it is propagating down to the troposphere now, and what that leads to, well, the high temperatures coming down through to the troposphere, high heights, and these also leading to areas of high pressure blocking to develop, and this tends to make the NAO go negative. The NAO is the strength of the westerly winds profile over the North Atlantic. That's going to go negative, which means that we're going to get some which means that the cold air is likely to drain off the pole into the medium latitudes. I think that's much more likely. This winter is going to be a cold one, and going to be a cold last half of January. I think the last half of January could be comparable to the start of February 2012, but also I think the start of January, at the end of January, is going to be comparable to the start of January in 2011, and also the latter parts of December in 2010. There's going to be some very cold snow weather, folks. I don't think too much of cold next week. The main cold is going to be this week with the low temperatures, but the severe stuff's next week from widespread snowfall in many places. Now, I had a very long, busy day here today with the Twitter. We had an accident on the virus going around many parts of the Kingdom. It's going around, not really going around many parts of the Kingdom. It's going around many parts of Twitter, and lots of people have got that virus. So do watch out there. My old account has been deleted on Twitter, unfortunately, due to the virus. There was lots of mishappenings going on there. I just thought it was a bit risky to continue the account because the account was working actually alright, but we couldn't go longer on it for more than 3 minutes, and also there's some dodgy stuff going on there. So I just wanted to make sure my followers wouldn't get any weird messages anymore from the virus. It's just the best thing I can do for me and for you folks, I think. So thanks for watching, and see you later.